Okay, so in the last video we set up our audience for remarketing. The next thing that we need to do is we need to add this audience into an actual remarketing campaign. So to do that, we're going to come back over here and go to all campaigns. And on the red add campaign button here, we're just going to click that. And we're going to go to display network only. Now once this loads, you're going to get a few options here. Obviously the campaign name. For this campaign we'll just call it Remarketing. It's going to stay display network. And then over here we have a couple of options. This is something that's changed recently. There used to be more options to select here, but Google have actually changed this with these additional options down here. Personally, for remarketing, I just leave it as no marketing objective, which means that we have all available features and options. Okay, so we're going to scroll down. We'll keep the country as United Kingdom. The language is English, so that's fine. Budget per day, we'll just give this a temporary budget of £20 per day for now. For extensions, we'll just leave that for the minute. And pretty much all of these here we can leave. In fact, let's just change the ad delivery to rotate indefinitely. That way we can split test our ads fairly. Cap on impressions. Generally, I like to change this to about 5 per day per ad group. And the reason for this is, whilst you do want to remarket to the people on your remarketing list, you don't want to annoy people. And when people constantly see your ads, it can get irritating. So 3 to 5 is usually a good range for a frequency cap. And that means that each individual person is only going to see your ad 3 to 5 times in a day. And we'll just click save and continue. Okay, and now we need to create an ad group. So we're going to call this Remarketing All Visitors. And the CPC for this campaign, just for a default now, we'll just say £2. Okay, so next we want to choose how to target ads. So we can target by display keywords. We can target by interest in remarketing. And this is the one we want to choose. And we can also use different targeting methods. Okay, so we're going to just click the drop down here. And we're going to click remarketing lists. And we're just going to add all visitors to there. We're going to scroll down. So you can see here we have the option to narrow targeting options further. So again here we could add display keywords, topics, specific placements, so specific sites, or even demographics. These obviously can all be useful, but they will restrict the amount of volume you get. Okay, so we're just going to click out of that. And then finally, we have this option here which says targeting optimization. Let AdWords automatically find new customers. So the way this would work is Google obviously has a lot of data on people who are logged in at the time of browsing. So what they would do is they would target people of a similar demographic to the people in your remarketing list. If you really want to extend a campaign, this can be a good idea, but the thing is the traffic is going to be nowhere near as targeted, because whilst these people may be the same age, gender, and they may have the same browsing behaviour, they still haven't actually visited your site, so they're never going to be quite as targeted as your remarketing list. So again, these are all things that you can come back to later on and add in as an addition to this campaign. But for now, we're going to leave it as 100% just remarketing. So we're going to save and continue. This brings us on to creating an ad. And for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to copy an existing ad, and we'll take something from Locksmith in Leeds. And I'll just choose 2 variations there and click done. As you can see, our ads are up here. So we can scroll down now, and here we have the option to save and continue to billing or save ads. Now, if you haven't already added billing, which as you can see I haven't done in this account, by all means add billing. It's very simple. For this video, I'm just going to click Save Ads. And there you go. So that's the remarketing campaign set up. It has active ads in it. We're targeting the whole of the display network, and we are targeting people who have visited our site. So that's it. It's very simple to set up. You have ads running in there now, just text ads. In the next video, I'm going to talk to you about the different display ad formats that are available, and then I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can make them using the Google AdWords Display Ad Builder. This will actually allow you to build animated banners in AdWords, and you don't need any design skills. It's a really good free tool that Google offers. So I hope you've enjoyed this. Again, I strongly advise that you get remarketing set up. It's a very, very powerful option to add into your campaigns, and I will see you in the next video.